What is going on, Ape Nation? So, yeah, this is just going to be a very quick update. AMC over 41 bucks. What in the heck is going on? Well, if you watched yesterday's video, then you probably already know that it probably has something to do with earnings. It probably has something to do with what's been reported by Adam Aaron, or is it Adam Aaron? I freaking don't know because I can't read and enunciate or do any of that because I'm just a dumb ape. And I eat my crayons along with some boogers sometimes, but not every day. This is my little son back here. He wears glasses and a hat, but they're just sunglasses.
And we're glasses, man.
Yeah. Here's the thing, though. AMC over $41. What the heck? Is it because of that strong October? Yes, very strong October we've had. But what I want to tell you guys is that the Fed will be speaking very soon. I think it's tomorrow. I could be wrong. It could be on Thursday, so don't quote me on that. But we're going to get that tapering talk, and when that happens, we don't know exactly what is going to happen with AMC stock. It could drop a little bit along with the rest of the stock market, so keep that in mind. But what we are going to do, what I'm going to do, because I can't tell you what to do, I'm not your financial advisor, I'm going to continue to hold because everything is looking beautiful right now. We're back on track as far as, you know...
I tell you something, guys.
We're going to be breaking out pretty soon, I think.
Tuesdays.
Next couple of weeks, we may be breaking out. But anyhow, that's all I had to say today. I will record a longer video when I'm able to, but right now I just wanted to give you guys this quick update because, you know, we're fixing to hit a trail and do some stuff. But I did want to leave you with that so that you guys knew what the heck was going on, why in the heck AMC ran up 11% total today. Man, that is freaking crazy, but it's also beautiful. But make sure you smash that like button because if you don't, I think that guy in the back will come to your house and kick your tail.
Yeah,
and then take all of your bananas and eat them for himself because he's selfish like that. That's my little son. He looks just like me. Good looking kid.
And you can use a banana as your phone if you don't have one and it breaks.
That's true. Anyway, guys, listen. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you smash that like button again and go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed because I drop content just like this, except probably a lot longer every single day.
I gotta tell you something, guys. No thumbs down on this video. Thumbs up. Smash.
Thumbs up only.